Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with a quick tutorial because I had someone ask in my last video if there was a tutorial on how I made this SVG here. I'm going to quickly walk you through how I created it. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by grabbing 3 text boxes. In the first box, I'm going to type in wife. The second box, mom, and the third, boss. I'm going to change the font for all 3 words. So I'm going to start with wife, come up to the font drop down box and go into system. This is where all of the fonts that are stored on your computer are. So I'm going to type in Kefa. I believe that's how you pronounce it, maybe. And click on that. Then click on mom and go back to the font drop down, go to Cricut because this next font is a Cricut font, and type in Battle Cry. And then go to boss, come to the font, go back to system and type in Heart Style. All right, now that we have all the words in the correct fonts, I'm going to start with mom by making it a little bigger just so we can see it. And then bring wife down and turn it to the side. I'm also going to make it bigger. And I also want it to be a little taller. So I'm going to come and unlock it, grab this box in the corner and bring it up. And actually, it's really bringing it toward the left, but it does make the word a little taller. I also want to come up to style and click bold. So now we have wife and mom in their places. So I'm going to come over and bring boss, make it bigger. And I also want to curve boss just a little bit. Now, as you can see, this B doesn't look like that B. Let me show you how I'm going to change this B to have this curvy line. We're going to come up to the computer's toolbar and click on the magnifying glass and type in font book. And this takes you to where all of the downloaded fonts are stored on your computer. So I'm going to come down to Heart Style. Heart Style is a font that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica, and it comes with these swashes. And if you scroll down, you see all the different options of swashes they have. This is the one I want that has the swash in the front of the B. So I'm going to click here, click copy, go back to design space. I'm going to double click on the word boss and delete the B, and then click Command V, and that gave me my swash. And I want to bring boss over so it overlaps this corner of the M, and then I'm going to click on boss and come up to offset. And as you can see, this outline around boss, that is how big your offset would be. I don't want it that big, so I'm going to toggle down, make it smaller. I'm actually going to make it 0.030 and click apply. Now you can see I have this black outline around the word boss, but I'm going to move the word boss that's in gray and keep the offset here. What I want to do now is click on mom and shift and click on the offset as well. So now if you look over here, these two are highlighted, and I want to come down to slice and click that. Now you see our offset says slice results, and then you see these 2 small pieces. I want to highlight all of them and then click delete. And then it leaves us with this opening here, and I'm just going to bring boss right back and nestle it into that little space. Then highlight over everything, come down here and click attach. You can change your color to whatever color you're going to have your vinyl cut it out to. You don't have to do that, but for visual purposes, you can do that. And that is how I created this SVG. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, that you learned a little something. If you have any questions, you can ask them down in the comments below. Before you go, please don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss a video of mine in the future. All right, later guys.